Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a core vocabulary and action video, and our core vocabulary word that we're going to be targeting today is yes. Yes is an adverb. Yes is a word that we use to express our agreement or our assent. All right, now let's find our word yes on some of the different AAC systems that you might be using. On Word Power 60 Basic, the Touch Chat app from Sotillo, yes.
Yes.
On LAMP Words for Life, the 84 full version of the vocabulary from PRC, yes.
Yes.
On Snap Core First, the 63 grid from Toby Vox, yes.
Yes.
Now let's use our word yes for some different functions of communication. I could answer a question and say, yes, that is a dinosaur. I could use my word yes to request an object and say, yes, I want more goldfish, please. I could use my word yes to comment. I could say, your smile tells me, yes, I think, that you do like Barbies. I could use my word yes to exclaim and say,
Yes.
yes, that's the one. I could use my word to relay past and future events and say,
Yes.
yes, I went to the doctor yesterday. I could use my word yes to express my feelings and say, yes, my belly hurts. I could use my word yes to protest and say, no, not yes to goldfish again. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did and you would like to see other videos where we target other core vocabulary words, go check out the playlist over here. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel here and make sure you turn on the bell down below so that you get alerts whenever I upload new videos. Thank you so much. Bye.